we are going to draw front view in X direction. Then from this side the view will be left hand side view, and then top view of this object. Now to draw these views, first we will start with the XY line. Now for our reference, just put two lines at 20 mm. These lines are just for our reference, that means construction lines, and should be very faint. Now let's start with the front view. Front view is in X direction. X direction length is 63. So we will place here on this line, we will place here length 63. Then from 63, this height is not given, we will consider it as 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. So total height is 30, which should be perpendicular to this horizontal line. So this total height is 30. Then from this corner, this length is given 30. So we will place here 30. Then below 30, below this corner, this height is here, it is 10. So we will draw this height at 10. Now from this corner up to this corner, we don't know the length. So to place the length, we know this distance 10. So we will place this distance 10 and will draw a faint line, and from here line parallel to XY line. So where these two lines intersects, we'll get this much length. Now again, this distance is 10, it is given. In the figure. From this side, left side, we will start. So this distance is 15, height is 15. Length is 10. Now we will draw a faint line from here because we don't know this height, and where these two lines coincide, we will get the height. Now we have this slant surface. To show this slant surface, join these two corners. So this will give us this slant surface. Now on this slant surface, we have got this slot. So this slot is at 18 mm from this length. So we will place 18 mm, and since it is not visible from the front side, we will show it by a dotted line, and on the slant surface, that is inclined surface, it is at 17 mm. So on inclined surface we will put it at 17 mm. This is our complete front view. Now let's start with the top view. In the top view, we will draw this width 30 mm. So to draw this width, we will take these projections. This is 30 mm. Then this length is 30 mm. So to have 30 mm, we will take these projections. So this 30 mm length is visible, and from this side also this 30 mm length is visible. Now this distance is 10 and this distance is 10. So from both the side we will draw a 30 mm. Now in between we have got slot, so the length of the slot will get from this projection. Now this distance is 15. So here we'll take projection. We'll find center of this 30, that is at 15, and to place 15 we will place 7.5 on the either side. And length of the slot will get from this projection, width is 10, but length will get from this projection Now we'll consider this length is not given, this width is not given, so we will consider it as 30. We will consider it as 30. Now up to this point this rectangle is visible, but below we need to draw dotted line for this slot. So we'll take projection from this and we'll draw a dotted line. Now let's start with the left hand side view. So draw vertical XY line, draw an angle at 45 degree. So take these projections in the side view. So in the side view, this rectangle is completely visible. Then this 15 mm width is completely visible. So we will get projection of this 15 mm width from here. Now this slot is also visible. So this slot is visible. Now for this slot we will see a dotted line. And this rectangle we can see. And this line is visible below this rectangle will be seen. So this is our left hand side view. So let's give the dimensions. This is 63. All these are 10, 10, 10. Then this is 10. Then this distance is 10. This is 15. This length is 18. This length is 30 and this distance is parallel to this inclined line. So we need to show parallel to inclined line. Now this lot is of 10 mm. This distance is 15 and this total is 30. So this is our front view, top view and left hand side view. Now to show dimensions, to write front view, we have taken 20 mm distance here, 20 mm distance here. Thank you.